Hello, class, and welcome to today's lesson. Are you ready to learn about the oldest vertebrate on Earth? A vertebrate is an animal with a backbone from birth. Have you ever wondered how old some animals can get? We humans can live for a long time, sometimes even past 100 years. But did you know there are animals on Earth that have been alive for much longer? Take this wise old tortoise, for example. Some tortoises can live to be over 150 years old. That's older than your great-grandparents. And what about our feathered friends? Some parrots can live for 80 years or more. Imagine having a pet that might live even longer than you. Some creatures in the ocean live for a super long time. This clam, called an ocean quahog, holds a special record for being the oldest individual living animal on Earth. Her name was Ming, and Ming lived for 507 years. She was born around the time Christopher Columbus discovered the Americas. But what if I told you there's a vertebrate or an animal with a spine like you and me that can live for even longer than 500 years? And guess what? It is still alive today. This creature has been around since the time of William Shakespeare and before the invention of the telescope. Get ready to meet the oldest vertebrate animal on our planet. The incredible Greenland shark. These amazing sharks live in the super cold waters of the Arctic and North Atlantic Oceans. Greenland sharks grow incredibly slowly, which is one of the secrets to their long life. Everything about them is slow. They grow less than a centimeter, half an inch a year, and they swim at a very slow, sleepy pace, which helps them save energy in the freezing cold waters of the Arctic Ocean. And check out its eye. Many Greenland sharks have a little passenger on their eye, a tiny crustacean called a copepod. It doesn't hurt the shark, but it can make it a bit tricky for them to see. Scientists have studied these incredible animals and found that some Greenland sharks can live for at least 300 years, and some even up to an astounding 500 years. Imagine all the things a shark that old would have seen if only it could tell us. Because they live so long, they don't have to rush to grow up. Female Greenland sharks don't even reach maturity and start having babies until they are around 150 years old. But if you happen to catch one, it wouldn't be something you'd want to eat. Their flesh contains a lot of a chemical called trimethylamine N-oxide, or TMAO, which acts like an antifreeze to help them survive the cold. If a human or a sled dog were to eat the fresh meat, it would make them very sick. While the Greenland shark is the oldest vertebrate animal with a spine, it is far from the oldest living organism on Earth. That title belongs to creatures without backbones, invertebrates, and organisms from the plant and fungal kingdoms. Certain individual bristlecone pine trees have been found to be over 5,000 years old, and vast underground colonies of the fungus Armillaria ostoi, sometimes called the humongous fungus, are estimated to have been growing for thousands of years, covering square miles of forest. These examples show that the secret to extreme longevity often lies outside the animal kingdom. I hope you loved meeting the amazing, centuries-old Greenland shark, the oldest champion of the vertebrate world. Remember, our planet is full of mysteries and incredible survivors, from tiny clams to vast, ancient forests. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning about the amazing organisms we share the Earth with. Until next time, I'm Professor Teddy, and stay positively wonderful, everyone.